Hello, gorgeous. Today we're talking about January burnout, the silent crash after the holiday hustle, right? You make it through the holidays, the gifts were wrapped, the meals were cooked, the house was cleaned, decorated, filled with people. You stayed up late. You gave and gave your time, your energy, your presence, and now it's January and you feel depleted while everyone else is talking about new year, new you, right? Your body's whispering something entirely different. It's saying, I'm exhausted. You're watching Straight from the Doctor's Desk with me, Dr. Andre Purcell. I'm a naturopathic doctor who specializes in helping women with health and hormonal issues, especially during those intense transition menopause years. So, today we're talking about the burnout that no one talks about. January burnout is real. It's the quiet crash that comes after the last 3 months of just pushing through. Or maybe you just had a really rough 2025 and were feeling exhausted. Women often carry the emotional weight of holidays, managing schedules, holding space for everyone else's emotions, meeting expectations, and keeping traditions alive. Seriously. And all the while, right, we're working, we're caregiving, and we're sacrificing ourselves. Maybe we're not sleeping well, we haven't exercised in a while, and maybe you don't even realize how thin you're stretched until it's all over, like now, and you hit a wall. So what happens when you push too hard for too long is that your body keeps the score, right? There's only so much gas in your tank, lady, and stress is cumulative. And when you override your needs for weeks or months at a time, your systems start to weaken. Your immune system goes down. You're sleep deprived. You're inflamed. You just know that you're not taking care of yourself. So maybe it shows up as a cold, a head cold, a sinus infection, something you can't shake, or a hormonal flare like PMS, bloating, like bad cycles, or digestion. Maybe you're constipated, you have reflux, thyroid symptoms, right? Fatigue, brain fog, hair falling out. Maybe you're having an immune flare. So you might think that these issues come out of nowhere. But more often than not, they were simmering just below the surface until stress tipped the scale. So maybe it's not post-holiday blues or, oh, I just have a cold. Maybe it's a psychological crash. I see that a lot this time of year because stress can affect our adrenals, which regulate our cortisol and our energy. Stress can affect our thyroid, which is the metabolism, right? The immune system, which becomes broken down under chronic pressure. Hormones are affected by stress, which rely on the balance, and stress can disrupt it. And then, of course, digestion shuts down when we're in fight or flight mode. So when you push through without replenishing, your body is eventually going to demand attention, and it's going to be very inconvenient and unwanted through symptoms. And while these symptoms may be common, they're not normal, and you don't have to live with them, and you don't have to just survive. January is a time to repair, not push through. It's really not the time to do a crash diet or a really intense fast or overhaul your fitness routine. It's time to listen. What do I feel like I need? What does my body need now? And we can just start with nourishment. How have I been feeding myself? How have I been watering myself? Restoring minerals. Just asking yourself what you need. Focus more on sleep. I'm going to focus on getting more sleep this week or this month. Saying no to things when normally you say yes. And above all, give yourself the space to recover because this is where the healing begins. Because you really deserve to start this year not rushing, but restored. So if something feels, it very likely probably is, whether it's your energy, your mood, your digestion, your hormones, don't brush it off. See what you could do to help yourself. So that lingering symptom just might be your body's way of finally getting your attention. Hi, I've been waiting for you. So let's not ignore it this time, and definitely let's not ignore it this January. So I'm here to help you reset and restore and rejuvenate. And if you feel like your body is crashing instead of thriving, you need real root cause support. And that's what I love doing. And that's what we do best here. I just want to say, think about this, think about what you need, prioritize yourself, prioritize your healing, and get out of the hustle. So let's make 2026 the year that you stop ignoring the signs and start feeling like yourself again, because you're not broken, you are burned out. And that, girl, is something that we can fix. So you just set up your free discovery call with our office today, and we can discuss how to rebuild your energy, your balance, and your health together. Ciao for now.